how to download the WinRAR for your Windows 11 computer. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download and install the WinRAR application for your Windows 11 computer. So to begin, the first thing that you need to do is open any particular web browser of your choice. So be it the Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome or the Microsoft Edge. So after you are done opening any particular web browser, which in my case is the Google Chrome, you need to search for this particular line which says WinRAR download. So once you have typed in, simply hit the enter button and you will come across this particular search result from www.winrar.com which says download WinRAR and RAR latest version. So simply click onto this link and it will open this particular web page, and from here it says download WinRAR. If you don't know what you are looking for, then you are probably looking for this WinRAR 64-bit version. So that means it has automatically detected my system and the architecture, and it is recommending me to download this particular version, that is the WinRAR 7.11 English 64-bit. But if you are looking for any particular version, platform or architecture, then you can use these drop down arrows. So from the version, you can choose any specific version from 7.11 all the way to 6.24, and according to the platform you can choose any platform like Windows, Mac OS, Android, Linux or FreeBSD. And according to the architecture, you can also choose according to the architecture, that is 32-bit, 64-bit or an ARM architecture, or a duo compatible version for both 32 and 64-bit. So I will be going with the recommended installation, that is the WinRAR 7.11 English 64-bit. So simply click onto this button and here you can see that the download process for this installer has been successfully started. So let's wait for the downloading process to finish, and once this WinRAR x64 gets downloaded, we will open it and then install this so that WinRAR gets installed into our system. So here you can see that the WinRAR x64 version 7.11 has been successfully downloaded. So the next thing we're gonna do is simply open this exe file. And once I have opened this, it might ask you for the permission and you need to click onto the yes dialog box. And then in this installer, you can choose to have the destination folder for the WinRAR, and I will keep it onto the default, which is under the C file and then the program files. It will install the WinRAR, and then you can read the terms of use if you want, and then from here under the user license agreement you have this install button ready. So simply click onto the install button and it will have some other preferences under the setup, that is if you want the ISO and JAR file, then you can choose them as well. And under the interface you have some other options, which includes add WinRAR to desktop if you want, adding WinRAR to start menu if you want, and then this is the create WinRAR program group, which is already selected by default. If you don't want it, you can simply disable this. And then there is also a shell integration which says integrate WinRAR into shell, cascade context menus, icons in context menus, and legacy context menus if you want. And then if you don't understand any of this, simply let the default values remain and click onto this OK button. And then from here, you can see that WinRAR has been successfully installed in this folder. And if you want to run the WinRAR application, you can simply click onto this run WinRAR, or else you can simply click onto this done button. Now to access WinRAR, what you can do is simply go to the taskbar and in the search, simply type in for WinRAR, and here you can see this is the WinRAR S64 version 7.11 as we have installed. So that's all for this video. If this video was any helpful to you, do consider giving it a like. Tell us in the comment how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.